Hello everyone, this is a really nice Bluetooth 3D mask which comes with a USB charger, with a manual instruction, with a nice portable bag which is so nice and you can take with you when you're traveling. So here we have the power button, the volume, and these 3D contour sleep mask with the super light blocking and gentle contour. You can sleep in darkness at any time. Have these large surface area I'm gonna show you, and offering face for your eyelids, and the adjustable strip on the eye mask for sleeping are wide and elastic, will not catch your hair. Have also these breathable and gentle contour which feels beautiful, soft and smooth on your skin. It is perfect for yoga, for any kind of meditation, for sleeping. I do like the quality, the design of this sleep mask, and I will highly recommend it to you. Thank you.